What if the one part you change every 5,000 miles is quietly destroying your engine? Most drivers grab the cheapest oil filter at the auto store, and that's a $7,000 mistake. In 2026, not all filters are built the same. Some clog early, some leak, some can't handle synthetic oil. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best oil filters you can buy right now. We're going from solid budget protection all the way to the filter that lasts 25,000 miles. If you care about your engine, don't skip this. Let's get into it. Purolatorboss PBL 14610 Maximum Engine Protection. If you drive a Honda, Acura, or Nissan, start here. The Purolatorboss is built like a tank, and that's the first thing you'll notice. Feature 1. It uses a double helix metal center tube. Most filters use a weak side seam tube. This one has twice the strength, so it won't collapse under extreme oil pressure. Feature 2. PuroSeal ethylene acrylic gasket. This creates a leak-proof seal that beats standard rubber gaskets. No drips, no mess. And feature 3. A heavy-duty Boss steel casing. It protects the filter from dents and damage, even if you drive off-road or on rough roads. Inside, you get Smart Fusion full synthetic media for solid filtration. With 1,182 ratings at 4.7 stars, this is the most reliable pick for Asian vehicles. Should you buy it? Yes. If you own Honda, Acura, or Nissan and want maximum strength and zero leaks, the Purolatorboss is a smart buy. FRAM Ultra Synthetic XG1206, best for GM vehicles. If you drive a Chevy, GMC, Buick, or Cadillac, this is the filter to look at. FRAM built the Ultra Synthetic specifically for GM engines running full synthetic oil. First, the filtration. It uses dual-layer synthetic media. That means 99% plus efficiency at trapping dirt, soot, and combustion byproducts. In real life, that keeps your oil cleaner for longer and reduces engine wear. Second, the Sure Grip non-slip surface. Sounds small, but anyone who's changed a filter with oily hands knows how frustrating it is. This textured grip makes install and removal way easier. No filter wrench needed most of the time. Third, the 3X hot oil resistance silicone valve. On cold starts, this valve keeps oil from draining back into the pan. That means faster oil pressure and better protection right when your engine needs it most. With 943 ratings at a perfect 4.8 stars, GM owners clearly trust this one for extended change intervals. Should you buy it? Yes. If you own a GM vehicle and run synthetic oil, the FRAM Ultra gives you premium protection and easy DIY changes without the premium price. Wix XP 57502 XP. Best for pros and synthetic oil users. This is the one mechanics actually buy for themselves. Wix XP is built for Ford, Lincoln, Mercury, and Mazda owners who run full synthetic oil and push their change intervals. Feature 1. 99% filtration efficiency at 23 microns. Standard filters miss the tiny particles that cause engine wear. The Wix XP catches them. That means cleaner oil and a longer engine life, especially if you do a lot of highway miles. Feature 2. Up to 20,000-mile change intervals. This filter is engineered specifically for synthetic oils. So if you're pairing it with a long-life oil, you don't need to crawl under your car every 3 months. Feature 3. Durable silicone anti-drainback valve. In cold weather or after sitting overnight, this valve keeps oil in the engine where it belongs. Result? Instant lubrication on startup and less dry run wear. With 1,300 plus reviews at 4.7 stars, the XP line is a staple in professional shops because it outperforms most OEM filters without the dealer price. Should you buy it? Yes. If you drive Ford, Lincoln, or Mazda and use synthetic oil, the Wix XP is pro-grade protection at a DIY price. K&N Premium HP 1008. Best for performance and easy changes. If you're an enthusiast, a mechanic, or just hate messy oil changes, this is the one. K&N built the HP 1008 for people who care about flow, strength, and convenience. First, the wrench-off design. See that 1-inch welded hex nut on the end? That means you can take it off with a socket or wrench in 5 seconds. No slipping, no filter pliers, no shredded knuckles. For shops doing quick service, this saves real time. Second, heavy-duty steel canister. This thing is burst tested for extreme pressure. So whether you're running a turbo, towing, or just driving hard, the canister won't deform or leak. Third, universal high-flow synthetic blend media. It works with synthetic, conventional, high mileage, or blended oils. And it's designed for maximum oil flow, which is why performance drivers love KN. More flow equals better protection at high RPMs. With 3,500 plus ratings at 4.8 stars and fitment for a huge range of vehicles, this is the go-to for people who want premium protection and the easiest removal experience. Should you buy it? Yes. If you want a premium filter that makes DIY oil changes faster and handles performance driving, the KN HP 1008 is worth every penny. Mobil 1 M1110A. Best overall, longest life. This is it, the filter to buy if you want the longest protection and zero compromises. Mobil 1's M1110A is the top-rated filter on this list, with 6,500 plus reviews at 4.8 stars, and for good reason. Feature 1, 25,000 mile protection. That's the longest interval in this entire countdown. Pair it with Mobil 1 annual protection oil and you're only changing oil once a year. For high mileage drivers, that's huge time and money saved. Feature 2, 99.6% multi-pass efficiency. It uses an advanced synthetic fiber blend media that removes more contaminants than conventional filters. Cleaner oil means less wear, better fuel economy, and a healthier engine long-term. Feature 3, withstands 9x normal operating pressure. We're talking burst strength up to 615 psi. For turbo engines, trucks, or anyone who drives hard, this filter won't fail when the pressure spikes. It's backed by ExxonMobil, trusted by pro mechanics, and built specifically for synthetic oil users who demand the best. Should you buy it? Yes. If you want the absolute longest oil change interval, maximum filtration, and bulletproof durability, the Mobil 1 M1110A is the best oil filter you can buy in 2026. And there you have it, the top 5 best oil filters in 2026. From the strong, leak-proof Purolator Boss, all the way to the 25,000-mile Mobil 1. The right filter protects your engine, saves you money, and makes oil changes easier. Pick the one that matches your vehicle and how you drive. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button for more honest, no-fluff gear reviews from Glim Picks. I've dropped all the affiliate links to each filter down in the description, so you can check today's price and see official product videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.